Welcome to the Streaming Media video series from Reel. In this series, we'll cover all aspects of streaming media production, from the tools you need to get started to serving your content. Here's how it will break out. This first video provides an introduction to streaming media technology, the tools involved, and an overview of the streaming media production process. The second video delves deeper into the media production process, including audio and video production tips and tricks. The third video covers encoding and authoring streaming media presentations. And the fourth video will wrap up the series with a brief overview of streaming media serving and live broadcasts. If at any time you'd like to skip ahead to a specific video, please click on the appropriate link in the right-hand side of the interface. Let's get started with the basics. You must be at least somewhat familiar with streaming media. You're watching it right now. To watch this presentation, you clicked on a link in your browser. The Reel player then popped up, and a few seconds later, depending on your connection speed of course, the presentation started playing. Moving right along. To make this happen, 3 separate software applications from Reel were required. First, you need the Reel player to watch the presentation. The Reel player plays files delivered from a Helix universal server, which is a software application designed to deliver media files in real time. Helix is Reel's brand of universal products that deliver multiple formats in addition to Reel media. The final software application required is the Reel producer. The Reel producer reduces the size of media files so that they can be streamed in real time. These 3 software applications, the Reel player, the Helix universal server, and the Reel producer, are the building blocks of a streaming media system. Once a streaming media system is set up, a simple 4-step process is used to create and manage streaming media content. The 4 steps are creation, encoding, authoring, and serving. Creation is the production of raw media, such as audio or video. You may already have some existing audio or video content that you want to stream. In that case, you can skip straight to encoding. Encoding means converting the media files to a format that can be streamed, such as Reel audio or Reel video. Authoring is where you connect the audience to the content via a simple link on a web page or a multimedia presentation. And finally, serving is where the actual streaming takes place. During each step of the streaming media process, a combination of hardware and software tools are used. To get started, here's what you'll need. For video and audio production, you need a quality camera and tripod, a microphone, good lighting, and a nice, quiet location. Sorry about that. A nice, quiet location. On the software side, you need a good multimedia computer. Be sure to load it up with plenty of RAM and disk space. And you'll probably want some editing software to fine-tune your audio and video creations. Of course, you'll need 3 software applications from Reel: the Reel player, Reel producer, and Helix universal server. All these components can be downloaded from the ReelNetworks.com website. Once you've got the necessary tools and software, you're ready to move on to the next step: creation. You can watch the next video in this series, Part 2, Creating Content, by clicking on the link on the right. Or, if you'd like more information about Reel products, you can click on any of the more information links.